Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that's sure to take your digital marketing strategies to the next level. In this video, we'll explore the 7 huge digital marketing trends that you need to know about right now. So, if you're ready to stay ahead of the curve and boost your online presence, let's dive in. Our first digital marketing trend is voice search optimization. With the rise of virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, voice search is becoming increasingly popular. By optimizing your content for voice search, you can ensure that your website and online assets are easily discoverable by voice search devices. We'll discuss some strategies and tips to help you leverage this trend effectively. Video marketing is taking the digital world by storm, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. People are consuming video content more than ever before. Whether it's on YouTube, social media, or streaming platforms, we'll explore the power of video marketing and how you can leverage it to engage your audience, increase brand awareness, and drive conversions. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming the customer-business relationship by revolutionizing the way companies engage with their customers. With the increasing popularity of AI-powered chatbots, businesses can now offer instant customer support and personalized experiences on a whole new level. In the realm of digital marketing, AI and chatbots are game changers, providing enhanced efficiency and streamlined interactions. By leveraging AI technology, businesses can better understand their customers' needs, deliver tailored content, and create a seamless customer journey. With AI's ability to analyze data and learn from interactions, companies can optimize their marketing strategies and provide unparalleled customer experiences that drive engagement, loyalty, and ultimately, business growth. Influencer marketing has revolutionized the advertising landscape, capturing the attention of brands worldwide. By partnering with influencers who resonate with your brand's values and target audience, you can expand your reach exponentially. This marketing strategy allows you to tap into the trust and credibility that influencers have built with their followers, fostering authentic connections with potential customers. In our video, we'll delve into the best practices for successful influencer partnerships, offering insights on identifying the right influencers, creating compelling collaborations, and maximizing the impact of this influential marketing trend. Stay tuned to learn how you can leverage the power of influencers to drive brand awareness and engage your audience like never before. Social media stories, such as those found on platforms like Instagram and Facebook, have become immensely popular among users. These temporary and captivating posts offer businesses a distinct chance to connect with their audience in a more genuine and informal manner. In our video, we will explore how you can harness the power of social media stories to humanize your brand and foster meaningful engagement. By sharing behind-the-scenes glimpses, showcasing real-time updates, and encouraging interactive elements, you can create an authentic and personal connection with your audience. Stay tuned to discover how social media stories can elevate your brand presence and leave a lasting impact on your followers. In the current digital landscape, consumers crave personalized experiences. By harnessing the potential of data and employing advanced targeting techniques, businesses can deliver highly customized content to their audience, resulting in enhanced relevancy and engagement. In our video, we will delve into the power of personalization and hyper-targeting in digital marketing. We will explore the benefits of tailoring your content to meet individual preferences, demographics, and behaviors. Additionally, we'll provide valuable tips on how to effectively implement personalization strategies, ensuring that your marketing efforts resonate with your target audience and drive meaningful results. Stay tuned to unlock the potential of personalized marketing in the digital age. User-generated content is a powerful tool for building brand loyalty and trust. When your customers create content related to your brand, it not only increases authenticity but also provides social proof to potential customers. We'll discuss how you can encourage and leverage user-generated content to strengthen your digital marketing strategy. And there you have it, the 7 huge digital marketing trends that are shaping the industry right now. By staying informed and adapting your strategies accordingly, you'll be well equipped to thrive in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Which of these trends are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more valuable content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.